In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close breakout rooms in a Zoom meeting. If you've ever found yourself navigating a Zoom meeting with several breakout rooms, you know how important it is to manage these rooms effectively. Whether you're conducting a virtual workshop, a class session, or a larger organizational meeting, handling breakout rooms efficiently can make or break the success of your event. So, let's explore how to close these rooms seamlessly. First, if you're not already familiar, breakout rooms are a powerful feature in Zoom that allow you to split your main meeting into separate, smaller sessions. This is perfect for group discussions, team activities, or when you want participants to focus more closely on specific topics. However, once these breakout sessions have concluded, you'll need to bring everyone back to the main meeting room. Here's how you do it. Begin by looking at the Zoom toolbar on your screen. You'll see several options, but what we're interested in is the More button. It may appear as 3 small dots, often located at the bottom of your screen, particularly if you're the host. Click on this More button and a menu with several choices will appear. In this menu, you'll find Settings. Click on Settings to reveal a host of options for managing your meeting. Zoom offers many settings to tailor your meeting experience, but our focus here is solely on the breakout rooms. In the Settings menu, scan through the list until you find the option labeled Breakout Room. This is usually easy to spot, as it's specifically designed for managing and controlling breakout sessions. Click on Breakout Room, and you'll be directed to an interface showing all the breakout rooms you have created. Once you're on this interface, you'll see a list showing each active breakout room and the participants in each room. This is where you can manage the individual rooms, but if your sessions are wrapping up and it's time to bring everyone back, you'll want to look for a button labeled Close. Click on Close and Zoom will begin closing each of the breakout rooms. A notification will appear on each participant's screen, informing them that the breakout room session is ending and they'll soon be returned to the main meeting room. Usually, participants are automatically redirected back to the main room after a countdown of about 60 seconds. This time allows participants to wrap up any final discussions and prepare to rejoin the larger group. And that's it. You have successfully closed all breakout rooms in your Zoom meeting, seamlessly transitioning back to your main session. Remember, mastering these settings can greatly enhance your capacity to host smooth and effective meetings, ensuring that all your participants have an organized and productive experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your next Zoom meeting.